G'day, Brad here to walk you through some aftercare tips for your PowerClean. Now the PowerClean is our latest entry-level carpet cleaner, twice as powerful as the previous generation. You'll find it in stores at most major electrical retailers for around $399. That's what its recommended retail price is. And you can also find it at bissellshop.com.au. So after you're done cleaning your carpets and your rugs, what you need to do is empty the dirt tank. So to do that, you're just going to lift these latches. There's one on either side, so there's one on the right and there's one on the left. And then you're going to lift the tank away from the machine. There's a little stopper here at the top, so that's for easy empty. You're just going to tip it down the sink. All the formulas you've been using are biodegradable, so they're safe to be tipped down the sink or outside, wherever you like. Now they've drastically improved this. Not only can you empty it a lot easier than the last one, but if you want to give the inside of the tank a proper deep clean, on the bottom here we have a chamber that you can actually unscrew like that, and you can take this entire middle piece out, and now you can rinse the inside of the tank really easily. And you can even fit your hand in there and give it a scrub if you feel so motivated to do so. And then you're just going to do the reverse. You're going to pop your chamber back in that way, and you're going to pop it in. It only goes one way, so you can't stuff it up. And then you're going to put the ring back on, and you're just going to make sure it's nice, secure and tight. That is your dirt tank done. So now you can pop it back on the machine if you want, or if you need to, you can go one step further and clean out the nozzle. They've improved this on the PowerClean as well. So if you want to get rid of any hair or anything in here, you're just going to pull straight up. This part will come away, and you can now give that a rinse. And you can pop it back on the machine just like that, clicks into place. Now you can pop your dirt tank back on the machine, your latches up. And when you're storing your PowerClean away, you'll find on the back of the machine we have our cable wrap. So we have two hooks here, one at the top, one at the bottom. So you can wrap your 6-meter cable around there to keep it nice and tidy. When you want to use the machine again, all you're going to do is twist this top one down, and then your cable can slide out like that. Another tip I've realized that when you are using it, there is a little cable hook at the top here to keep it away from your feet, so you don't have to hold it. So that will keep the cable away from your feet while you're using the machine. When you're storing away as well, what I love about the PowerClean is that in the box when we were assembling it, we actually just connected these two parts together, and that was done. We can take the tank off though, and now we can press a button at the back of where the connection is to the handle, and we can take that piece away. So again, we've made it shorter, but we can go even further. We're going to press this button here and take the second piece away. So when you're storing it in a cupboard, you can just pop the pieces with it, and it's just tucked away nice and neatly. But when we want to reassemble it, all we're going to do is just pop the pieces back on how we took them apart. And this is the assembly straight out of the box. It's literally you click and you play. So you're just going to line up the little nodules until they click, and then we've got the clean tank, and that sits on the machine like that. And of course there's our power cable, 6 meters as I said, and you're just going to wrap it around the back so it keeps everything nice and tidy. That is your PowerClean. It is twice as strong as the previous generation of our entry-level models. I love it, I think it's great, and I hope you'll love it too if you have those carpets that need cleaning, or maybe those rugs that need refreshing. If you have pets or kids, you definitely need a carpet cleaner in your life, so check it out now at bissellshop.com.au or head to your nearest electrical retailer.